Hi everyone, welcome to the art portion of your pause activity for the week. I'm Matt Ziemke, I teach art here at UNK. This is my assistant, Corinne. Can you say hi, Corinne?
Hi.
We are going to be showing you today how to collage with a variety of different materials. So let's check out what we've got. Corinne? Holy moly! Let's open up our bags and take a look at what we've got. There's nothing to say that you can't find your own materials as well if you want to enhance your air balloon in whichever way you see fit. We just looked around our kitchen real quick and we found some really nice cupcake paper cups. These are nice. That's another one. And then also tin foil. That could be really nice too. So when we're looking at all these different materials we have at our disposal, we can be thinking about how to enhance visual interest with texture and also with different colors. Have you ever asked yourself what makes something have a color? Well, there's a very specific and interesting scientific reason behind it, and it all has to do with the wavelength of light. Now, a really great way to understand color in a very simple way is to think about a rainbow. Now, Corinne's going to help me illustrate the different colors of the rainbow. So, what is the first color of the rainbow?
Red.
Okay. And what is the next color?
Orange.
And the next?
Yellow.
And then?
Green.
And?
Blue.
And last?
Purple.
Purple. Now you might notice, now it's perfect. You might notice that red is kind of similar to orange, and yellow gets a little bit lighter, but then we get into successively cooler and cooler colors. So why is that? Well, light travels as a wave. Different waves of light have different wavelengths. Oops. Red light has a very long wavelength, whereas purple has very short wavelengths. And so when those enter our eye, our eye processes them very differently. Now, what does that have to do with how we use color as artists? Well, we have here, for artists, a color wheel. Now, this color wheel shows us different relationships based on the different wavelengths of light and how they interact. When we put colors together or next to one another that have very different wavelengths, our eyes and brain have to work a lot harder to process those. And so little visual anomalies occur, and it makes them seem more vibrant when we put them together. So with the color wheel, we can see just which wavelengths of light are the most different from the other. So for example, a blue and an orange, when put together, become more vibrant than if they were apart. And the same goes for green and red, violets and oranges, and etc. Now, just to give you a little more about how to talk about color, as I said a little bit before, colors that are yellow into red are generally thought of as warm colors. Think about a hot stove or a warm summer day. Cool colors are our greens, blues, and purples. Those kind of make us think about maybe a cold day or a cold blue lake. These are going to be our cooler colors. So we have cool colors and we have warm colors. And with this little bit of understanding about how color works, we should be able to make very informed and good decisions as artists.
So we're going to make a hot air balloon. First, we'll start by cutting it out. This is the hot air balloon. I'm gonna start by patterning my balloon by drawing some shapes. I'm gonna draw some stripes. So this is my pink glitter glue. So I made this. I'm gonna keep going until I like it even more. So we are going to draw a background on this big piece of paper. That did look like a magic trick, but it actually was just blending into the other piece of paper in the background.
Because you're gonna glue the balloon on, right?
We're going to glue the balloon onto this piece of paper. I'm going to glue this in and I'm going to put it on the paper. So, we're going to color it in a basket for the people. I'm going to choose a different color for the string. If you want to follow along, you can pause the video just for a reminder. Let's use some blue. Let's do that. Then we'll do a little thing here so we can show that it's tied together. It's not really. There.
All right, everyone. That's the video explaining a little bit about how you're going to put together your collage to make your hot air balloon. I'm going to let Corinne show you what she made and talk a little bit about it, and then we'll go.
This is the collage I made, and the balloon that I made has some backgrounds. Here's the water tower, some concrete, high grass, more balloons. One's about to take off.
And what about up here? What's at the top here?
Oh, that's an N for Nebraska.
Pink is pretty close to red. It's the closest we had. All right, should we say goodbye to everyone? Have fun, everyone. Goodbye.